Hey, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be organizing, specifically my shelves that need a lot of help. I feel like organizing is just like something that I have to do, like every 3 months-ish. Like it'll be good, and then I will slowly mess them up, you know? So I figured might as well make it fun, might as well, add some DIYs in there, film, have a good time with it. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment and let me know what you think because I love reading all of your comments. And without further ado, let's get organizing. So let's start off with some basics. So if you're trying to organize anything and you're trying to do a real good job, you have to take everything off. That's the first step. Otherwise, you're probably not going to end up cleaning everything. And then I just start lightly, putting things into different piles, putting things with things, and just trying to get a sense of what I want to do. And then I also, and I'm freezing cold, but I had a paper bag, and that's to stuff that I can donate, and then a plastic bag for just trash. Alright, so let's make some shoe boxes look aesthetic. So I took this brown sort of craft paper that I found at the Dollar Tree and just an old shoebox without the top, and basically I'm just going to wrap it. I did a terrible job wrapping. I feel like I've lost all of my wrapping skills, but you just wrap it around the tops, and it doesn't have to look that good because we're going to put a piece of fabric over it anyways. Just make sure it's as crisp as you can get it. Okay, so now I'm basically taking an old shirt that I have, and I'm just going to stuff it in and basically flip it out, kind of like this. It's a little weird, but after adjusting it a little, it should look pretty much normal. For a little added touch, I added a little fake handle thing, you could say, by taking 3 pieces of yarn and tying the ends together and then braiding them. But honestly, I feel like you could skip this step because I'm just taping it on, and I feel like someone will actually think it's a real handle and it'll pull right on off. But I think it's a little nice garnish if you want it. And yeah, I made a whole bunch of these, so I put in a lot of different things, and I found them to be great organizers. Alright, this one is so much fun. I got some acrylic paint from the local craft store and just started off by taking some old mason jars and some old mugs that I had lying around, and started off with a little white base. And then I went ahead and mixed blue and white. I kind of was going to edit this part, but somehow me mixing paint was satisfying to me, so I just left the whole thing in. Once the first layer was dry, I just took the jar and painted blue all the way around them. I honestly looked at Pinterest for ideas. There are so many good painting jars ideas out there. I'm just keeping it real simple, but yeah, there's so much you can do. So to spice it up a little, I just added some white at the top. It kind of looks like foam a little. I don't know how to describe it, but I thought it looked cute. It is important to basically just paint some really thin layers, let all those layers dry, and then just keep painting onto it. I found that to be the best way to make the paint adhere, and here I'm just making little small flowers. Oh my gosh, I'm screaming. These are so cute, so of course I'm going to show you guys. It did take like more time than expected just because I had to do so many layers, but they turned out so cute. And if you have mason jars and you have acrylic paint, so worth it. I put all of my what are these things called? Colored pencils in here, all of my binder clips. Another one. I've always watched DIY videos like on kind of like stuff like this. I'm always like, wow, that's so cute, and then I like just never make the effort to. But now that I'm like doing YouTube, it kind of like gives me a new project every single week. So yeah, I'm so excited. Alright, and today's YouTuber shoutout goes to Hattie B. He's been there since like maybe 25 subscribers, 30 subscribers, since like the beginning. So thank you so much for all of your support. It really means like so much to me. She is hilarious. She has an amazing channel. I am of course going to leave the link to her channel in the description box below. When I asked what she did, she said mostly lifestyle, but probably miscellaneous. So you know, just a little bit of everything, and all of her videos are so entertaining. So make sure to go check her out. Alright, and for the last thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to add little labels to everything. I feel like this will just help me maintain all of the organization so much more. So I just wrote all the categories on Google Docs, printed it all out, cut it out, took some tape and stuck it on, and there we go. Anyways, here are the results. Thank you so much for checking by. I hope this inspires you to organize. I am not the most organized person out there, but you know, gotta do it from time to time. So anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye!